you all are doing great. So today we're gonna do this huge Nykaa haul with all the budget friendly products. These are products I want to suggest you to buy because I genuinely love them, and there are few of the products which I've never tried. तो मैंने बोला कि sale तो best time है to try new products. And actually मैंने अगर आपने देखा होगा मेरे चैनल पे I haven't done any haul which includes makeup or skincare because I was, to be honest, not shopping for it, but then I feel sale best time होता है to try out new products and also to buy products you already love. So without wasting more time, let's get into the video. Okay, so let's get started, but make sure that you grab some tea or coffee because this video is going to be really long. So let's get started. Okay, so let me just take you through some skincare, actually body care products first. Okay, so the first thing I have is Nykaa Wanderlust Japanese Cherry Blossom Shower Gel. I love the fragrance of this. It is so refreshing, and the best part about Nykaa shower gel is that they make your body very soft. So अगर कभी आपने ना उसके बाद लोशन नहीं भी लगाया ना, तभी भी आपकी body feels really soft. And the best part is it smells so beautiful, and I think this is just perfect for winter. So yes, you can definitely grab this. Also, I'm gonna write all the offers on the screen so you guys can check that out too, and links of everything in the description box. Next up, I have MCafe Naked and Raw Espresso Coffee Wash. Okay, so I have tried their coffee scrubber, I have tried their coffee face packs, but मैंने उनका body wash अभी तक try नहीं किया था, and I was like, let's give it a try. I love how it comes in this tumbler and काफी cool सा feel आ रहा था. So yeah, I just wanted to try this. और also जब मैं coffee वाली किसी भी चीज़ को use करती हूँ, again I feel so refreshed because I can't have coffee. Caffeine doesn't suit me, so उससे अच्छा है कि अपनी body पे use कर लो. So next up I have Wow Skin Side's Coconut Milk and Argan Oil Body Lotion. So if you have my kind of skin, you like oily combination skin, this would work really well for you. First thing, the coconut fragrance is super mild. ऐसे एकदम नाक में नहीं लगेगा आपको, बहुत ही mild और soothing सा है. So if you see the texture, it is like really light and it doesn't feel greasy at all. So अगर आपकी मेरी जैसी oily combination skin है तो एकदम perfect रहेगा. It gives you like a nice matte finish to be honest, and काफी hydrated आपकी skin लगती है. Smells really good. So the next body care item I have is the Nivea deodorant, and this one is the green tea one. इनका ना वो spray वाला भी आता है, so you can try that out. That is also very good. This one is the roll on, and trust me, मुझे याद भी नहीं है कि मैं कितने सालों से सिर्फ Nivea के roll ons ही use कर रही हूँ. I just love them so much, and now they have changed their packaging. They are all green and सब recycle कर सकते हैं. So yeah, you can just support them, and this is really nice. You feel so fresh the moment you apply this, and I really can't imagine my life without the roll-ons and the deodorant spray of Nivea's. So yeah, green tea variant is my most favorite. Now let's get started with some skincare. So next up I have is the Simple Refreshing Face Wash. This one is so free. So basically I got this for my sister because she got a lot of acne on her skin, and Simple Face Wash really works well for her. So if you have like acne prone skin, then this is something which is very mild. It got a very nice gel texture. So if you have acne, that means you need something very mild on your skin, and this one is truly very mild. Really like this. Also, this is so free. Now next up I have is the Dot & Key Vitamin C plus E Bright Moisturizer. Okay, I don't know if you guys believe in this or not, but जब भी मुझे travel size कुछ भी दिखता है ना, I always buy them because I feel when you're traveling, I don't like to take those big bottles, so I always purchase these, and trust me, they are very helpful. और फिर इतना कोई टेंशन भी नहीं होता कि 50 ml के ऊपर है नीचे, and you don't have to check all that. So yes, this is the mini one and just perfect. मतलब ऐसे लगता है कि बहुत छोटा है but काफी quantity होती है. This moisturizer is really good because it got two of my favorite ingredients, vitamin C and vitamin E. So yeah, you can opt for this. Now next up I have is the Lakme Peach Milk Moisturizer. Again, this one is really good. ये तो सबको पता ही होगा. It gives you like a nice little pink tint which I like, एंड काफ़ी अच्छे से मॉइस्चराइज कर देता है। और अब तो विंटर्स आ ही चुकी हैं, सो वी नीड लॉट्स एंड लॉट्स एंड लॉट्स ऑफ मॉइस्चराइजर। सो या, that's why I got this one. So now, if you guys don't know, vitamin C is one ingredient that fades away your marks, your scars, and अगर आपको pigmentation है या फिर dark spots है, उनके लिए best रहता है. Also now, because wedding season is here, it is going to give you that amazing glow. तो भर के vitamin C लगाओ and your skin will be all glowing and beautiful. And that's why I got 3 products जिसमें सिर्फ purely vitamin C है. The first one is the Biotic. This is specially for dark spot solution. All you have to do is, अगर अपनी मॉइस्चराइजर के पहले बस आपको ये लगाना है अपने फेस पे, तो अगर आपकी डार्क स्पॉट्स हैं या पिंपल्स के मार्क्स हैं उनसे हट जाएंगे. सो या, दिस इज ऑल्सो समथिंग आई एम ट्राइंग फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम. सो इफ यू नीड लाइक अ फुल टाइम रिव्यू, लेट मी नो, आई डू दैट फॉर you guys, but I'm really excited to try this product. Next up I have is the Plump Vitamin C Serum. I've already made a review video about this. It is such a beautiful product, and especially before makeup I like to load my face with a lot of serum, and vitamin C से कुछ भी better नहीं है because you get that beautiful glow. So yeah, I got this too. Now next up I have is the Klairs Vitamin E Mask. If you guys don't know, but काफ़ी YouTube पे ना hacks सिखाते हैं जिसमें Vitamin E का वो जो green वाला टैबलेट होता है उसको लगाते हैं लोग अपने face पे, and it's very good. तो yes, I was like let me just try this out. और मैंने अभी तक Klairs के ना कोई product भी नहीं try किए थे. So yes, I got this, and again मैं छोटी bottle में, मतलब मैंने छोटे size में लिया है because again, if you're trying something new, तो आप पहले छोटा वाला bottle try करो. If it works for you, and then you can get a bigger size. So this is how it looks. I love how tiny and cute it is. So अगर आप travel कर रहे हो तो भी आप इसको अपने साथ लेके जा सकते हो. Again, if you want a review, please let me know. Links of all the products in the description box below. Nykaa is having their Pink Friday sale up to 50% off, and this is their one of the biggest sales. So go and check out their website. Now next up I have is Gold Youthful Skin sheet mask from Nykaa. I have tried literally all of them. सिर्फ gold वाला नहीं try किया था, इसलिए I got this. And you guys know I love sheet mask. मतलब no matter what season it is, thrice a week I have to use a sheet mask. I love them so much. एंड मुझे लगा कि ये गोल्ड वाला फील दे रहा है, तो इफ आई वांट टू गो फॉर वेडिंग्स और एनी फंक्शन उनके लिए परफेक्ट रहेगा. नेक्स्ट अप आई हैव इज द न्यूट्रोजेना हाइड्रो बूस्ट कैप्सूल इन सीरम. आई लव दिस प्रोडक्ट. अगेन वेरी हाइड्रेटिंग ऑन योर स्किन, एंड बिकॉज विंटर्स आर हियर, फर्स्ट थिंग आई हैव ऑयली कॉम्बिनेशन स्किन, सो आई हैव टू सी कि जितने भी प्रोडक्ट्स मैं यूज करूँ दैट आर वेरी लाइट ऑन माई स्किन बट ऑल्सो गिव मी एक्सट्रीम हाइड्रेशन बिकॉज विंटर्स आ चुके हैं. फिर भी मुंबई में इतनी नहीं होती, सो या दीज जस्ट वर्क perfectly for me. So yeah, you can try this product. It's really nice. It feels like you have literally loaded your face with a lot of water. So next up I have is the Face Shop Rice Cream. Okay, so I have tried their under eye cream, same variant, and that worked really well for me. So I was like, let me just try the face one also, because rice is one ingredient which is amazing for your skin and amazing for your hair, and in general also I really like Face Shop products. So yeah, again I got this bottle, and it is it got this beautiful texture. The best part is Face Shop के जितने भी products होते हैं ना, उनका जो टेक्सचर होता है वो एकदम लाइट होता है आपकी स्किन पे, बिकॉज इट्स अ कोरियन स्किन केयर, और वो लोग काफ़ी स्टेप्स लगाते हैं. लाइक दे हैव लाइक टू मेनी स्टेप्स व्हेन दे डू देयर स्किन केयर, and really like how light and beautiful this is, and doesn't feel greasy, oily at all. So if you have like oily combination skin, this is going to work really well for you. Next up I have is the Lotus Herbal Anti-Aging Transforming Cream. So this says that if you use this for continuous 7 days, you're gonna see some difference with your fine lines, wrinkles, blemishes, spots, and it is going to make your skin more firm and glowing. So I thought I'll make my mom try this, and then let's see what she says after 7 days. But I'm super excited. It's also got SPF 25, and yeah, if you're looking something for your mom, you can try this out. So next up I have is the Faces Canada Comfy Matte Lip Color with natural oils. Okay, so I really like matte lipsticks which are very light on your lips and also hydrates your lips. First of all, let's just appreciate this beautiful packaging, and मुझे ऐसा लगा कि काफ़ी travel friendly भी है. Also really like this mauve shade, very pretty. and just perfect for the wedding season. So yeah, it feels also very light, doesn't feel, you know, very heavy on your skin, and instantly, you know, it takes like 5 seconds and get matte, and it's very beautiful. So next up I have ColourPop Kiss Proof Lip Stains. Of course, we're not going to try this and show if it's working or not, but uska naam yahi hai. And the shade is 001 Hollywood. This is like a beautiful red shade. Again, wedding season is here, so काफी काम आएगा आप लोगों को. And look at this, such a nice bright red color. And to be honest, I am not into such dark shades, but I was like, let's give it a try if this really works. Now, next up I have is the Maybelline shade number is 50. Again, it's a very different shades. मैंने जो इस बार लिए जो I normally don't use. I think this will be just perfect for my mom, and this is how it looks. She really likes such shades. To be honest, these lipsticks really stays. Like even if you're wearing a mask, and I have tried this, I'm gonna link that vlog right here if you want. तो अगर मैं मास्क लगा के भी पूरा दिन घूम रही थी ना, तो भी ये वो लिपस्टिक इंटैक्ट रहता है, nothing happens. खाना खा लो, पानी पी लो, it's just there. So yeah, you can opt for their coffee shades. They have some really beautiful nudes which you can definitely try. Now when we're talking about nude lipsticks, I have these two of my most favorite nude shades. First one is the Nykaa's Make Up Wake Up. If you're looking for a beautiful nude, you should definitely opt for this. This is my like go-to lipstick. Every single day I would apply Wake Up makeup, and I got a brand new one. Really like it. Let me just open it and show you the shade. So here is this beautiful nude. Absolutely love it. It is so beautiful. Look at this, and so creamy, so nice, super lightweight, and just looks perfect. I just love this one. The next one is the Rennie lipstick, and पता ना वो बचपन में we used to have that pencil which is हम colors change करते थे. It gives you that feel, and I've already spoken about this lipstick a lot of times on my channel, and I just wanted to gift it to my sister because I feel like आप ये वाला अगर आप अपने बैग में रख लोगे ना, तो you'll have all the nude shades with you, and they look really nice. Again, very light on your lips. Feels good, and I think Rennie as a brand, to be honest, they have not paid me to say this, they are doing really well. Whether they are makeup brushes, their lipsticks, their blush, they are really good. So you can definitely think about investing in them. I've spoken about their products so many times in my videos, and those are, to be honest, my genuine reviews because I really like this brand. If you're someone like me who likes kajal, and अगर आपकी watery eyes हैं और कोई भी काजल नहीं टिकता है, then you have to get this one. This is the K-Beauty 24-hour lasting smudge proof kajal. I am in love with this kajal, and this is the only one I use. So because sale chala tha, I had to stock it up, so I got this. And now last two products, I got these two beautiful eyeshadow palettes. I don't even remember when I got my last eyeshadow palettes, so this time I thought let me just try them out. And I didn't get the nude ones because I have so many nude eyeshadow palettes. So this one is the Revolution Wild Animal palette, and this got such beautiful colorful shades. I'm not someone who generally wear colors, but I thought maybe, you know, for December I'm going to experiment. So these are these beautiful shades, and they look very pretty. Also they are very pigmented. I tried them out and look at them, like super pigmented. Really liked it. So this palette got a lot of matte shades. जितने भी colorful shades are like yellow, blue, black, grey, red and green. All those are matte, and some of them are shiny, shimmery shades. Really like this palette, and I'm going to try out these colors. So I'm very excited. And now the last thing we have is the Lakme Absolute Infinity eyeshadow palette. Again, I didn't have these colors, so I was like, it would be just perfect to, you know, get this. The palette name is Midnight Magic, and again it got browns and pinks, and again little bit of shimmery shades which I really liked. Also Lakme के जितने भी eyeshadows होते हैं, they are very pigmented, तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है. So yes, I got these two eyeshadow palettes. So that was all for today's video, and I hope this video was helpful. As you all know, Nykaa is having their Pink Friday sale and they have up to 50% off. It is their biggest sale ever, so go and check that out. I'm gonna give you links of all the products in the description box below, so definitely check them out. I made sure that I only buy the budget friendly products, and I really hope this video was helpful. Give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you very soon. Bye bye.